Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explain the difference between metrics, traces and logs in Dynatrace in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's get started. First, let's talk about metrics. Metrics are numerical values that provide insights into the performance and health of your system. They are typically collected at regular intervals and can include data such as CPU uses, memory consumptions, disk I/O and network latency. In Dynatrace, metrics help you monitor the overall state of your infrastructure and applications. They are essential for identifying trends over time and spotting potential issues before they become critical. Metrics provide a high level of overview and are useful for setting up alerts and dashboards. Next, we have traces. Traces, also known as distributed traces, track the journey of a request as it travels through various services and components of your application. Each trace provides a detailed view of the path taken by a single transaction, showing how long each step took and where any bottlenecks occurred. In Dynatrace, traces are invaluable for understanding the performance of microservices architectures and pinpointing the exact location of slowdowns. By following a traces, you can see how different parts of your system interact and identify specific areas that need optimization. Finally, let's discuss logs. Logs are detailed record of events that happen within your system. They capture a wide range of information, including error messages, status updates, and debugging details. Logs are generated by application servers and other components, providing a granular view of what's happening at any given moment. In Dynatrace, logs are crucial for diagnosing problems, troubleshooting issues, and conducting forensic analysis after an incident. They offer context and specific that metrics and traces might not provide, such as the exact error message that caused a failure. So, to summarize, metrics give you high-level numerical data about your system's performance and health. They are great for monitoring trends and setting alerts. Meanwhile, traces provide a detailed view of the path taken by individual transactions, helping you understand transactions between services and identify performance bottlenecks. Logs offer detailed records of events, which are essential for diagnosis and troubleshooting issues. Each of these data types plays the unique and complementary role in Dynatrace. Together, they provide a comprehensive view of your IT environment, enabling you to monitor, analyze, and optimize your applications and infrastructure effectively. And that's the difference between metric, traces, and logs in Dynatrace. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you in the next time.